Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the AI content generator wherein you can generate content in just seconds. So let's get started. So you can actually do that in order to head over to your products. You can actually use the content generator when you're actually adding your products itself. So head over, click on this add product right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see the add product option. You can see, or you can just input in here the title of your product. So for example, let's just put in here a t-shirt, and in here you can actually create a description. So we can see this icon right here, this sort of an AI action. Now click on this generate text. In here, you just need to put in here the pictures and keywords that you can use. So for example, let's put in here a blue summer polo shirt. And then you can modify the tone. It can be expert, daring, playful, sophisticated, persuasive, or supportive. But you can also put in here custom tone. For me, I'll just use persuasive since I am actually selling a product. Now I can click on this generate right here. And then in here, it will generate the actual content for me in just seconds. You can see it didn't take even 5 seconds or what. So click on keep right here if you want to keep it, or you can also click on this generate again if you want to generate it. So let's head over and click on the keep button. Then as you can see, it will be added right here. Now you can add in here your media, your price, and everything that you can use, or you can actually add on this item that you have. So for me, I'll just save this item and I can actually show you the content product generator that we have used on the actual pages that we have on our store. So in order to do that, head over to your online store right here. And on your online store, you should be able to see this option for blog posts as well as pages. You can also use your content generator in this too right here. So let's head over and click on this blog post. And then in here, you can click on this create blog post. And then you can add a title right here. Like for example, let's add a title here for dogs. And you can also see this icon that they have right here. So click on this one. This actually quite similar to what we have on our product page. So you can say something of what they want this blog about. For example, let's just put in here dogs. I'll click on just generate right here. And in just a few seconds, it will generate your blog content about the dogs or the topic that you have inputted right there. As you can see, it creates a lot. So head over and click on keep, and you should be able to see what it will look like. I can head over and save this progress if you want. Now, under this pages right here, you can also generate some content of the pages that you have using the content generator. Now click on add page right here. Now, for example, let's make a page about privacy policy. So let's name it like that. And then let's click on this right here with generate text. And then let's put in here privacy policy and make sure it's done as expert. Click on this generate right here. And then this will generate the content for the page that we created. So just wait for this right here to finish. And as you can see, it generates us what we need on our actual page. Once it's done generating, click on the keep right here, and you should be able to see what it will look like. Now click on save right here in order to save your progress, and you should have a page already created for you in just a few seconds. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it has reached more people. See you soon.